Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about what breaks is. What exactly is break in Python programming language? Break is just like the name break, just to stop something, or to pause, or to stop, or to crash, or to make something to stop working. That's just what break does. And break is mainly used in a loop, like the for loop or the while loop. So I'm going to do an example using the for loop. Let's say for example we created a for loop for x in range. Then when this is going to, let's print out our x. So that you are going to, it's going to print out from numbers from 0 to 9. Let's see that on our screen, as you can see here. Then how do we apply break? I can start to put break here. What is going to happen here? Okay, let's see and see what's going to happen. You can see that we got no output. Like I said, break stop something from executing, meaning that initially for x enter this list or sequence of data, and the first thing it got was 0. It just breaks the loop, it stops the loop from running. Like once it gets it, just break the loop, stop it from running any further. Okay, let's say I set the break here. Okay, let's see. You can see I was able to get 0. And so once if a for loop was able to go to this ranges of value from 0 to 10, and it got the first one was 0. After I got the first one, the break stopped the entire script from running. The break can also be put inside a condition. Let's say if x is equals to 5, I can say remember if condition must end with colon, specifying that this is a block of code, or this is a beginning of a block of code. So this break has to be under here. You can start to put break here. If you put break here too, let's handle the first one first. What is happening here? Let's say I want to print our x. What is going to happen here? First of all, to go into this is going to run the for loop. Will go into this range of number from 0 to 10. The first one is going to be 0, so 0 is going to be printed out. This condition here checks whether if x is equals to 5. Once x is equals to 5, this break is going to happen, or is going to take place. It's going to stop this entire loop from running any further. Okay, let's run and see that. You can see I was able to print from 0 to 5, and then when it got to 5, it broke the loop, with stopping it from proceeding further. Okay, let's say I set it here. Let's say I set it here. What this is going to happen for x in range 10, the first is going to be 0. So at initial, x is equals to 0. 0 is going to be printed, right? The next is that x, you know that x is equals to 0. Is that x is it equals to 5? Just like saying, is 0 equals to 5? No, this condition is false. So this break is not going to happen. This guy is automatically false, so it's not going to execute. It's like as if it does no longer exist. So after that, the next is going to happen with this break. What this break does, stop this entire script. So what do you think is going to be printed out here? Is it just going to be only 0 that's going to be printed out? Let's run and see it. As you can see, as explained earlier, 0 is going to be the one to be printed out. So make sure that when you are writing break, is inside the control structure, or the for loop, or the while loop. You can't just wake up and write a equals to 7 and come and put break here. Let's run and see that for ourselves. As you can see, VS Code is already showing me that, highlighting that there's a problem here. Let's run it. You can see break, syntax error, break outside loop. So break must be inside a loop for it to happen. You can't just put break anywhere you want break. So here's a recap of what we talked about in the video. We said that break is just to help stop a loop from continuing further, or when a particular condition is being met, or I just want to stop the script for because of a particular purpose. So that's what basically breaks are, and it must be inside the loop. As you can see on our last script that we run here under here, that once it's not inside the loop, it's going to prompt you an error. I'll know that this is a loop. So this is basically what break does. So I think this will be the end of this video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.